All right, so now we've solved it. We've solved the murder of Amy LaTour. We have to now put it in our own words and summarize why Henry Willie committed the murder. So a good way of summarizing is using the somebody wanted but so method. And so here's an example of how you could plan your summaries, and here's how your summary should look. So what you do is you find out, who are we talking about? Who is the somebody? That's Henry Willie. What did Henry Willie want? Well, he just wanted to surprise his girlfriend Amy at her house. But what happened? But Henry discovered several gifts and a picture from Amy's other boyfriend, Joe Wanty. So Henry strangled her in a jealous rage, then murdered her pet canary. So I'm now going to take this and put it into a summary. This is 2 sentences long. The first sentence is the somebody wanted but, and the second sentence is the so. So Henry Willie wanted but so. And now we've done a really good job of summarizing exactly why Willie did what he did.